In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Audible credit balance on iPhone. If you've ever wondered how many credits you have left before picking your next audiobook, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly where to look. Credits are the tokens you use to get eligible audiobooks, and your balance is tied to your Audible membership plan. Knowing your balance helps you decide when to redeem a credit and when to save it for a bigger title on your wish list. Start by opening the Audible app on your iPhone. This is the same Audible app you use to browse and listen to audiobooks. Once it's open, you'll see the main tabs along the bottom of the screen. Everything you need is just a couple of taps away, so you won't be digging through settings or hidden menus. Next, tap Profile at the bottom right corner. The Profile area is your personal hub inside Audible. It's where you can see account-related information and shortcuts tailored to you. If you're already familiar with the Home or Library tabs, think of Profile as the place where your account details live. From your profile, tap Membership. This opens the membership section, which summarizes your plan and any benefits attached to it. It's designed to put the most important information front and center so you don't have to guess how many credits you have available. At the top of the membership screen, you'll see your available credit balance. That number represents how many credits you can redeem right now. In general, credits can be exchanged for eligible audiobooks, and depending on your plan, they may renew on a monthly or annual cycle. If you're planning a new listen, this is the number to check before you browse. If you see multiple credits available, you might choose to grab a longer title or pick up a series you've been eyeing. If you don't have an Audible membership plan, the credit balance will show 0 or may not appear at all. That simply means there aren't any credits linked to your account at the moment. You can still use Audible to browse and listen to titles you already own, but the balance area won't show active credits unless a membership is associated with your account. And that's it. Open the Audible app, go to Profile, tap Membership, and check the balance at the top. With this quick check, you'll always know exactly how many credits you have before you choose your next great listen. Thanks for watching and enjoy your audiobooks.